One country relies on robotics and chemical binders. The other uses vacuum tumbling and ancient hand-folding techniques passed down for generations. Both end up in your freezer, but the journey inside these factories is worlds apart. On the right, precision. On the left, scale. One American line runs at 30,000 dumplings per hour. The Chinese line doubles that before the morning break. On the right, temperature loggers track every mile of every truck. On the left, cloud-connected robots handle the cold chain without human touch. From farm to freezer, the battle for dumpling supremacy has begun.
Perfectly frozen, listen to that crunch. Excellent quality.
扫码成功，信息完整，装箱。
Time to cook these dumplings.
In you go. Perfect, they're floating up. Time to scoop them out.
怎么样？好吃？
我也要吃。
好吃就多吃点。
下次还包这个。
We start in the United States of America, where food safety protocols, government inspections, and machine precision rule every single step of frozen dumpling production. The American way begins with strict control at the receiving dock. Enriched wheat flour, cornstarch, pasteurized, preservative, and frozen bronze schedule. Every single ingredient is logged, sampled, and tested for quality before anyone opens a bag. Meat must arrive between -2 and +2 degrees Celsius. Not 1 degree warmer, not 1 degree colder. If the temperature is wrong, the entire shipment gets rejected on the spot. America takes no chances with the meat cold chain. Dry ingredients live inside humidity-controlled storage rooms. Flour is thirsty by nature. If it drinks even a little moisture from the air, the dough becomes sticky, unpredictable, and impossible to work with. American factories keep it dry, stable, and perfectly measured. The wrapper dough comes together first. Dry ingredients blend together completely before chilled water joins the party at exactly 2 degrees Celsius. The mixer runs for 12 minutes exactly, not 10, not 15 in of this process. Binders go in next. Cornstarch or isolated soy protein. These ingredients hold the filling together after months of freezing. They prevent moisture loss and keep the texture intact. The filling will survive a year in a freezer and still taste freshly made. Temperature check again. The filling must stay below 4 degrees Celsius throughout mixing. The mixer has a chilled water jacket circulating cold liquid around the bowl. America does not let the filling warm up, not even for a single minute of production. When the dough turns smooth, elastic, and completely non-sticky, the mixer stops automatically. Temperature check time. The dough must stay below 25 degrees Celsius. Warmer dough will crack during freezing. America measures everything, including dough temperature. Resting time begins. 25 to 30 minutes of doing absolutely nothing. This is called dough hydration. The gluten-protein network relaxes completely. The wrapper becomes soft, flexible, and forgiving. No cracks later in the freezer. Small rest makes a huge difference. While dough rests, the filling process begins. Tempered frozen pork goes into a large paddle mixer. Notice, not fresh meat. American factories mostly use frozen blocks for consistency, food safety, and supply chain reliability. Then comes the secret to juicy American dumplings. Cold water, exactly 12% of the meat weight, added slowly over 7 minutes. The meat proteins drink in the water completely. The filling becomes tender, moist, and juicy. No dry dumplings here. Cabbage is blanched first. Boiling water for 90 seconds exactly, then an immediate ice bath shock. This step controls moisture content. Too much water creates large ice crystals. Ice crystals destroy the meat texture completely. Now assembly begins. The Anko machine, an American industry standard for frozen dumpling production. Dough enters the extruder hopper. Filling waits in a separate hopper beside it. The machine never tires, never needs a break, and never slows down. 3 steps happen in less than 1 second. Dough extrudes into a sheet. Filling injects exactly 12 grams. Molds close, crimp. The machine runs at 20,000 dumplings per hour. Every single dumpling identical to the one before it. Imperfect dumplings are removed by hand by trained inspectors. But at 20,000 dumplings per hour, there are very few rejects. The rest march directly into the freezer tunnel without hesitation. IQF freezing, individually quick frozen. The tunnel runs at minus 38 degrees Celsius. Dumplings spend 25 minutes climbing the spiral. When they emerge at the top, the core temperature of every dumpling is exactly minus 18 degrees Celsius.
Hi everyone and welcome to Secret Food Manufacturing. I'm Leena and I'm so proud to show you around. This is where the magic happens. Subscribe to see how we make it.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitor concepts, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using SuperGrok, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.